I'm Connie.
And we're here with Cruising with Wheels.
We're from Florida,
Orlando.
Kissimmee.
Like Orlando.
And we've been having the best time.
We had a great week.
Yes.
We had the drinking package, so we drank a lot.
A lot.
And we're going to drink today.
A lot more.
Good morning, everyone. Frank here. It's about 7:30. I think Wednesday, November 28th. Yep, we're up. And of course, we have our coffee. Kevin is on the laptop. He is dumping all the videos and pictures from the phone and the camera and the video cam. So I'm doing the morning intro. Now, last night, Kevin went to Teppanyaki with Dave and Darlene. You probably heard I didn't go. I was just not feeling up to it. I was just way too full. I started my diet yesterday morning, so I had like one day. C day where I had breakfast buffet, and then I had a lunch, and then we had a nice Cagney's dinner. It was a full day of 3 full meals, done and over. So yesterday, I had a breakfast bar in my room with my coffee. That was it. For lunch, I just had some vegetables and a sliver of pizza and 3 little chunks of Indian pork something. And dinner, forget it, no dinner. So I'm still trying to recover. But so they went there, and of course the food was awesome. It really was. Now Kevin didn't film any of it because it was so loud. And when he came back to the room, he said to me, it's a good thing you didn't go because it was so loud. And he said the chef kept taking the spatula and banging on the grill, and not just on the grill, but in front of everybody. And he was like, please stop doing that, So he's like, it was really loud with him making noise and everyone talking. He goes, oh, you would have hated it. And I had said, I don't want to go because I don't feel well. And I would just sit there and be absolutely miserable, feeling sick with all the noise and the craziness and the cooking and the fumes of the oil and all that. So, thank God I didn't go. But I, did kind of miss the awesome food. Mm-hmm. But anyways, so they were done with their dinner. Oh, Kevin ran into one of our subscriber fans, Shay. He finally got to see Shay. We knew she was going to be on this cruise, so he got to see her and take a picture. And I hope I see her soon. And then he got back to the room, and he's starting to get sick. We knew this was coming, and so we went to bed about, I'm going to say 10ish. And during the middle of the night, he got up and he was coughing and gagging and couldn't breathe and
like
totally phlegming out. I hate to say that, but so I had to find the antihistamine pills that I brought and at least give him that. And he seemed to be more quieter during the rest of the night. We got up early this morning, about 6:30, and he went right into the shower and just ran the hot water and sat on my bench in there to try to clear himself up. And then he threw his clothes on and went down or up to get us coffee. So today we are in Harvest Caye, NCL Private Island, and he's supposed to do the parasailing, but it's very overcast and yucky out, so we'll see how that goes. And we'll get back to you once we're kind of all dressed and on the move.
I've been all the way down, now I never leave the ground. Did you see me back then? I would always pretend when I made it to the other side. I knew that it was worth the fight. There's no issue I can't face, not a single problem that I want to raise. Being in the process is a lifelong game. I play it to the fullest, you can call me insane. I've been living to survive, now I rarely ever cried. Did you see me back then? Oh, I was near the end when I made it to the other side. I knew that it was worth the fight. There is no issue I can't face, not a single problem that I want to raise. Being in the process is a lifelong game. I play it to the fullest, you can call me insane. I got this new power, feels like I'm reborn. Yeah, true power. It feels like
We just got off the ship. We're docked here at Harvest Caye, and we're where the little trolleys are. And they have a special trolley for special needs guests. So we're here waiting for that one to come back, and then we're gonna board and get to the end of the dock where Kevin's gonna find his little hut where he's gonna do his parasailing.
With the birthday girl. Today's my birthday.
Oh, happy birthday.
Thank
birthday.
you.
Tomorrow's mine.
Really well. Happy birthday in advance.
Happy birthday to you.
What's your name?
Rosita.
Happy birthday, Rosita. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, thank you, thank you. That's
Happy
good.
birthday.
Bon compleanno.
Are you 1? Are you 2? 3?
I'm 36.
36.
What a youngster. Wow.
You're 20 years older than me?
Today I'm 36. At the end of the pier, there's a turning bay. I need to turn the cart around before I unload, so please don't get off the cart until I say it's safe to do so.
Oh, okay. Did you hear that? You want to keep saying?
Oh.
So you enjoy my birthday for me. So you enjoy my birthday for me.
This is Rosita. It's her birthday today. Tomorrow's my birthday.
Yes, so happy birthday.
And she is taking us all the way down this long ass pier.
Harvest Key.
Harvest Caye, Belize.
You're going by the pool, the beach.
I'm gonna take an excursion.
Oh, okay. Over to the
Go parasailing.
Oh, okay.
Hey, morning guys. Welcome
Morning.
to Harvest Caye. Excuse me. Hey guys, I have a cart
I have to go right room, Josh. I have a right room. I unload you here. Okay.
Now is the time, ladies. It's the coconut. Party style already.
Hi, good morning. How are you?
How are you?
I'm good, and you? Power sale?
You know how long the tour takes?
Usually you go out for an hour. And you'll be on the boat with 9 other persons that are going to be flying also. Okay, let's see. Okay, camera. Oh, okay. Kevin, right?
Just a minute.
doors, but so the butterflies don't get out. I'm just like, makes sense.
He's like, what's with all these doors?
Fleur.
Hello, good morning.
Hi.
Good morning.
Leaves. Here we have 2 bowl of 150. They just rubbed together. Freaking out.
She loves snakes. Behind glass.
There's 2 snakes? Oh, it just shed. So where's the head on the other one?
Over to the side.
Oh, I don't like them. I want to see the head by front.
It's up there on the tree.
I know, she just made the face.
Oh, yes. Yeah. I know. Oh, I don't know.
¿Dónde está?
One is there in the house.
Over there?
See him right there?
Oh, there he is. See it up there?
Oh, he just flew.
Oh, he flew. No, we'll find him.
He's back there on that branch now. Oh, there he is.
Oh, yeah, now he's way up there.
Oh, there's more. There's more. I was trying to get a picture of that one.
They fly, yeah.
Right up there in that corner.
Oh yeah, he's inside that little thing in the back.
Yes, he's up top. He's up top. He's going up and down. Up and down in that back cage.
Little.
There's only one hope for a better performance.
Lighter and brighter here. Let's see. Usually I'm high, right?
They're down to the other
Yeah.